All right, we are looking at topic 8.4, our additional practice problem number 9. It says Cooper incorrectly claims that the measurement of angle B is equal to 125 degrees in the diagram shown at the right. Part A says find the measure of angle B and explain your answer. And part B says what mistake did Cooper likely make? So we're looking at a diagram that has a straight line along the bottom. We know that any angles that add up to make a straight line, our total ends up being 180 degrees, all right? And then we also know that it looks like there is at least one right angle right here. And a right angle is equal to 90 degrees. So from there to there, that's equal to 90 degrees. If we know that the line is equal to 180 degrees and that one piece of the line is equal to 90 degrees, even though it's two angles, it's a piece of that line is equal to 90 degrees. The rest of that is one angle, and that has to be 90 degrees as well, because 90 plus 90 has to equal 180. All right, so we have this diagram that has all these different pieces in it, and it says that Cooper claims that the measurement of angle B was equal to 125 degrees. Measurement of angle B. But we can see right here that B plus 55 should equal 90 degrees. And 55 plus the measurement of angle B should equal 90 degrees. But 55 plus 125 does not equal 90 degrees. It equals 180 degrees. And that does not equal 90. So we need to figure out what the measurement of angle B actually equals. Now, if we know that the measurement of angle B plus 55 is equal to 90 degrees, I can just work to solve that problem. So I can subtract 55 from both sides of the equation, and I end up with the measurement of angle B is equal to 35 degrees. Measurement of angle B is equal to 35 degrees. I just explained my answer verbally, but you guys should be writing yours in sentences. See if you can explain why you know that the measurement of angle B is 35 degrees. And then it says, what mistake did Cooper likely make? It looks to me like Cooper probably was finding the supplement of 55 degrees instead of the complement of 55 degrees. The complement means that 55 degrees plus something is equal to 90 degrees, right? They're complementary angles. So it looks like Cooper found the supplement, which is 55 plus 125 is equal to 180 degrees. Those angles are supplementary. But we were looking to figure out what you needed to add to 55 degrees in order to get 90 degrees. So angle B and 55 degrees are complementary, not supplementary.